Okay, that's cool. Well, happy 4th of July 2021, everybody. It's Pat here, and I am going to try to find a camp spot somewhere in the Monongahela National Forest again, and spend a few days exploring some more wild, wonderful West Virginia. You want to see what I'm going to get into? Because I really don't know yet. Stick around, stay tuned, and I'll be back after this.
Well, I was able to end up in the exact same camping spot I was at 10 days ago on the Gandy Creek. I love this spot.
I'm on a road I've never been on before. White's Run Road. And I am on my way to Yoakum's General Country Store over by Seneca Rocks to get some food and supplies for camping. Sign back there said no snow removal past this point, so they don't plow the gravel roads. GPS says I'm up for some wicked corners up here. Yeah, it's a tight one. Seen worse. Interesting. Not suitable for large trucks. Someone don't like the sign because they keep shooting it.
Turn right on US 33.
Boy, imagine if this thing were just raging with water. Popular road. Hello, welcome to July 5th. I actually know what the date is for a change, and as usual, just had a nice buck run across the road in front of me. Never have the camera running when the cool stuff happens. I just left my camp there at Gandy Creek, and today's all about random turns and exploration, and see where I end up and what I see, and then go back to the campsite for the night. Well, you really can't tell, but just off to my right over here is Spruce Knob Lake. I'd say it's just a touch froggy from the warm water and the cool air, because the bike says it's 55. It's 53 at the campground this morning when I got up, about, I don't know, 3:30, 3:45, something like that. Barely any sliver of a moon, so it was pretty darn dark still this morning, which was cool. Oh, speaking of deer, I got that one. I am on Public Road 112. I've never been on this road, and we're going to see where it goes. Again, we're just going to take it crazy slow, because you never know what kind of wildlife is going to jump out in front of us. They got bear, they got deer, they got elk. And that's just the big critters. Don't mind seeing any of them, just at a distance, where it's safe for them, safe for me is what I prefer. Okay, that was 112. Forest Road 1A ahead. What is this road? Sawmill Run Road. Okay. Cool. don't know if I got it, but I just scared the turkey off the road. I'm trying to stay really quiet and go really slow. One, slow to enjoy the scenery, and maybe we'll get some wildlife on video without scaring it too darn bad. Well, this road turned into this chip and seal a while back, and it's been kind of nice. It's going to bring me back out to State Route 28, and I'm going to turn left, which I think is east, and go try to find some breakfast. It's coming up on 7 a.m. The only thing I've had today is some coffee and a graham cracker, and I'm kind of hungry. I'll check back in after a while.
I stopped for breakfast here at the Gateway restaurant. Food was fair, service was crap.
Well, the deer are really out today. I've been seeing them all over. I just came up State Route 28 back there, and I'm not far from Seneca Rocks, and just made this random turn on Harmon Hills Road. We'll see what this has to offer. As always, I had the camera off, and a super tiny little fawn I had to stop in the road for because it was playing chicken with me. It was coming right at me. Didn't know what to do. Back and forth. Just kind of like me with these roads. I don't know what to do. I think this is a through road. Deer over there. Deer just went behind that pine tree. And there it goes. Man, they sure have been active today. Alright, another dead end. Well, it tells me I'm not going to go that direction like I thought. Oh, whatever. Just kind of cruising. I guess we're going to make a right turn. So far, all these roads I've just been randomly picking have been chip and seal. Another one, as soon as I quit recording. I mean, geez Louise. I don't know if that ridge line will show up on camera. And a bug just flies right into me. I am now on Smith Mountain Road, and it appears by looking at the GPS that this little side trip I decided to take is just going to be one great big circle and basically take me back by the Yoakum store. Anyway, who cares? The scenery's awesome. That's what this trip's all about, just taking these random turns. Well, this road turned into gravel. Didn't appear that way on the GPS. Pretty loose coming up this hill. Oh, I thought I was getting ready to make a super sharp turn. Not that this road is bad, but it's actually the worst I've been on so far.
Yeah, or so he thinks.
Huh. Well, I guess you're not allowed through. Crap. Says you can go through. It's amazing how much tarmac I have found today just by taking these side roads, but I am on what I know to be a dead-end road. It's Big Bend Road. It's going back to a campground about 4 miles back this way. Not sure what river that is on the right. If I figure it out, I'll put something in the comments, or not comments, but I'll put something on the screen. But I thought, I've got nothing but time. Let's go back here and explore. Maybe this will be some place I want to come back to, even though I'm not a big campground fan. I prefer more wild camping, boondocking, whatever term you like to use better. There was just a general store back there, so I know this is a big camping area. You can tell it's the end of the holiday weekend. People are headed home. So this must be a pretty darn big campground because it's the second one of those I've seen. First one left that trail on the road. I don't know if that's his gray water tank he's slowly dumping or what he's doing, but he definitely left a trail of wet gravel road. Smells great back here. Well, Big Bend Campground. Yeah, we'll just play dumb. So yeah, this is going to be very formal. Definitely not something I am into. You got to go see a campground manager. Looks like they got toilets and showers and big rig friendly. But if you're into that, hey, here you go. Pretty happening place. Well, just made another random turn, and I think this is a road. We'll find out. This is by far the smallest road I've been on so far on this trip. A lot of washout from rainwater. I hope this is a road. GPS says it is, but how many times? Hell, there goes some deer. Mom and two babies. Worst part is, I just filled the gas tank. Now, I wish I wouldn't have.
Alright, I'm going to wrap up this episode here. Tune in next week to find out if I make it up this road and stay on two wheels or if I end up on my side. It gets pretty wicked after this. So come back next week and let's see what happens to me.